everyone, welcome back to my Unity open world tutorial series. So in this episode I'm going to show you how to smoothly rotate the character towards the movement direction. Now as you can see here, the character, when I change the movement direction, the character rotates instead of snapping into that direction. So here is the demonstration. So yeah, now even if I keep changing the movement direction, the character never snaps. It smoothly rotates to the movement direction, and that's what I am going to do today. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so at the moment when if I move forward, it is like this, and if I press right move button, the character suddenly turns to that direction and keep moving like this. So there is no smooth rotation to the desired direction, and that's what I am going to cover today. So let's see how to smoothly rotate the character towards that direction. Okay, first let me open my scripts. And I handle the movement input through the character script and the player input like this. So where do I rotate the character? Where do I set the rotation of the character? Let me see. Yeah, it's in this under character movement script here. I have a reference to the transform of the mesh, and then I rotate the mesh towards the movement direction. So yeah, so maybe instead of just directly setting the direction rotation, it would be better if I love the direction. So how do I do that? So this rotation is a quaternion. So instead of doing it like this, maybe let me copy this part and comment the first line like this. Okay, so now I'll use this quaternion loop. So first I need to give the current rotation, and then the target rotation, and then the T. That means it defines the amount of rotation that I can take at a time. So for the current rotation I'll give T mesh rotation, and the target rotation is this one. And for the interpolation amount, I'll give time dot delta time, so that we can get a smooth transition according to the phase. And I can add a multiplier here. So yeah, let's create a float rotation multiplier. I'll set the default value to 1. Yeah, we can change that value later. Okay, shall we check what happens now? Yeah, now as you can see, character doesn't snap into the target direction, it smoothly rotates itself. Yeah, but as you can see, the movement direction of the character and the actual movement of the character and the movement that implied by the animation is quite different here, like this, see. So yeah, we can minimize that effect by increasing the rotation multiplier. Now let's call this one, not, this is not a suitable name, rotation speed. Worried about capital P here. So let's try 10 and see what happens. Okay, this is better. Well, something odd happened, but let's see into that later. But you can see the movement direction and now this character smoothly rotates to the direction he is moving. Right, so I'll stop this episode at this point. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link would be in the description below, and depending on the tier you join, you will have different privileges, like access to source code, and you can request custom tutorials, things like that. Okay, and thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.